Hi, it's Stuart,
And Wim again here.
and we're just going to give you a brief introduction to the chapters on the history of aerial photography and on cameras, films, and filters. I think you'll enjoy reading the history of aerial photography. It tells you all about from the time of the first cameras to using hot air balloons. People were doing aerial photography. Aerial observation balloons were used during the US Civil War. So there's a variety of interesting things you can learn about. The systems that we use, both aerial and satellite, have changed over the years. And Wim's going to tell you a little bit about what's sitting in front of us here.
And what you see here is actually a 4-camera system that actually has 4 spectral bands, one on each camera. And this was actually a camera system that was on Apollo 9. So it went up in space and actually took area photography in different spectral bands from quite far away, and could see large areas with that system. On the right side here, or on your left side for you maybe, is the quadcopter, which is an area photography system that you actually can remotely control and either take video or area photography, but digital photography. So some of these systems are using film, some of these systems are using digital memory systems basically. So very different systems, but very well manipulated nowadays. With the digital systems you can really do a lot of basically analysis and monitoring. So and Stuart will tell you a little bit more about some of the things that you need to know about chapters 3 and 4.
I think when you're reading that, you'll see how far we've come. When you look at the front of this system, you'll see their lenses, and these lenses had to be adjusted by the astronauts on Apollo 9, whereas on the modern aerial vehicle, there are no lenses to adjust. At some point in your careers, you might end up with a digital camera system with a real lens. So one of the things to make sure you learn something about is this whole notion of f-stop and shutter speed, because it really controls the quality of the image you're going to acquire. I think that's about it.
I think that's it. Good luck reading everything, and like other units, you're gonna still get the problem sets and the quizzes, so some discussions that I'd like you to participate in. So good luck with everything, and talk to you next week.
Take care.